Apple just pulled off one of the most exciting product launches in years, but if you look closely, something massive is missing. You saw the headlines. The iPhone 17e is here. The brand new, highly anticipated MacBook Neo broke the internet. We even got updated MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, and new studio displays. But wait a minute. Where is the iPad 12? Every single rumor, every major leak, and every top analyst pointed to the base iPad launching right now. But it simply vanished. Did Apple cancel it? Did something go terribly wrong behind the scenes? Well, the truth is actually much smarter than that. Apple is playing a massive game of chess right now, and the iPad 12 is their next big move. Today, I am going to tell you exactly why Apple hid the iPad 12, what crazy new upgrades are coming, and why you absolutely need to wait before buying a new tablet. Let us look at the facts. Mark Gurman from Bloomberg is rarely wrong. He clearly stated Apple would announce a huge lineup of products in early March. His list had the iPhone 17e, the new Macs, the iPad Air, and the entry-level iPad. Almost everything on that list arrived exactly as predicted. The only device that missed the party was the base iPad. But here is the secret detail that most people completely ignored. Gurman also said that if any product missed the early March window, it would still arrive later this spring. The iPad 12 is not cancelled. It is not delayed until next year. It is coming very soon. But why hold it back? Why not just release it with everything else? The answer is the MacBook Neo. This is a brand new laptop starting at just $599. It completely changes how people enter the Apple ecosystem. Apple desperately wants the entire world looking at the MacBook Neo right now. Imagine if they launched a $349 iPad 12 on the exact same day. The media would go crazy. Every tech reviewer would make videos asking if you should buy the budget MacBook or the budget iPad. The spotlight would instantly split in half. Apple does not want that. They want the MacBook Neo to have its moment of glory. Once the hype around the laptop settles down, Apple will quietly drop the iPad 12 and let it dominate the news all over again. It is a brilliant marketing strategy. So, when the iPad 12 finally drops, what are we actually getting? The biggest upgrade is happening on the inside. The current iPad 11 came out in March 2025 with the A16 chip. It was fast, but it is time to move on. The new iPad 12 is making a massive jump straight to the A18 chip. There is even a chance it could feature the new N1 chip, matching other recent products. Why is this so important? 2 words. Apple Intelligence. Right now, the base iPad is the only tablet in Apple's lineup that feels left behind. The iPad mini, the iPad Air, and the iPad Pro can all run Apple's new AI features. The base model cannot. Apple wants every single device they sell to run Apple Intelligence. With the A18 or N1 chip, the cheapest iPad will finally be able to use the Image Playground, the advanced writing tools, and the brand new, super smart Siri. To make all of this AI magic happen, the iPad 12 is getting a major memory boost. We are expecting a jump to 8 GB of RAM. For a budget tablet, this is absolutely huge. It means your apps will stay open in the background longer. Your games will run smoother. And the entire tablet will feel fast for many years to come. You are getting pro-level multitasking on Apple's cheapest screen. But do not expect a crazy new look. The design is staying exactly the same. Apple already gave the base iPad a massive makeover back in 2022. They gave it the flat edges and the aluminum body from the iPad Pro. It looks great, so Apple is not going to change it anytime soon. We are keeping the same 11-inch display. We are also keeping the same colors as the iPad 10 and 11. I really wanted some new shades, but considering the iPad Air kept its old colors, the base iPad will too. And yes, we need to talk about the screen. The internet loves to complain about this. The iPad 12 will still have a non-laminated display. It will not have OLED. It will not have a 120Hz refresh rate. People always get mad about this, but you have to understand who this iPad is for. This is the family iPad. This is the iPad you give to your kids. Children drop things. They break screens. A non-laminated screen is significantly cheaper to repair. Apple is keeping the repair costs low on purpose. So, when is the exact release date? Since the early March event is over, expect the iPad 12 to drop later this spring. Probably late March or sometime in April. There will not be a big live event for it. Apple will likely just drop a press release early one morning, and boom, the new iPad will be on their website. It fits perfectly for a simple, affordable device. So here is my absolute best opinion on this product. The iPad 12 is shaping up to be the best value tablet in the world. It is getting flagship power and future-proof AI features for a true budget price. If you are thinking about buying the iPad 11 right now, stop. Put your wallet away and wait. When the iPad 12 launches in a few weeks, you will have two great choices. You can either buy the brand new model with massive performance upgrades, or you can buy the older iPad 11 for a heavily discounted price. Waiting is a win-win situation. Do not rush. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share the video with a friend who needs a new tablet, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an Apple update. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.